Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I am going to share a recipe of chicken puff pastry, for which we need onion cut in small cubes, cilantro means dhania, and I need a chicken keema, which is chicken minced, one boneless breast, and of course the sheets, the puff pastry sheets. Add oil in heated pan and add zira, 1 spoon of zira, and then add the chicken keema and mix it well with the zira. And when the keema change color, then add spices into it, which is salt, red crushed pepper, red chili powder, and a dhania jeera powder. When chicken keema is cooked well with the spices, then add onion and cilantro, means dhania, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not cook more than 2 to 3 minutes because then onion will dissolve. Then do the fillings. Just take the keema and put on the sheet, the puff pastry sheet, and make any shape you like. I'm going to try different shapes like triangle, circles, squares. Then bake the pastry for 18 to 20 minutes on 380. And I'm making a green chutney with the puff pastry. For that we need green chili, mint, cilantro, salt, and cumin seed. I'll add a water and then grind it. And there you go, my pastries are done. That's how it looks. Hope you all like this recipe, and for more recipe do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.